go to Canva, and this is Canva free version, I guess. Yeah, this is free. Log in. There's a concept called Canva AI. Click on that, and then go ahead and tell it what you want. So yesterday we were kind of discussing on what corresponding things do we have to do after this session. I went here and I gave it a couple of prompts and said I want a 4-hour masterclass content. Canva generated this for me. Let me show you my input and what Canva generated. So this is what I gave it as an input, and this is what Canva has spat out as an output. So this is actually the older version, but this is how the output came in. Now, this is a doc that you have created with your words. This powerful creative is created with in 30 seconds of you giving it an input. So the answer to your question is, don't basically try not to use ChatGPT for this. Go to Canva AI, select relevant thing. If you want to design something, if you want to build an image, if you want to build a doc, if you want to build a short app, you can use Canva AI, put in what you want. So I'm assuming you want a document. Go to click on doc, and again you can define further types and so on and so forth here. Give it your idea and click on enter. It's gonna automatically create. So thankfully, this is it in its beta kind of stage. It's still free, so you can use it unlimited for free.